I've been doing a series of Valentine's Day dresses from Shein recently, and then I thought, why don't I check what Temu has to offer? So then I went on Temu app and searched for some glam red dresses. And then after scrolling for some time, I added some of the dresses to my cart. And a couple of weeks later, I finally got my package. And we are going to see if some of the dresses are a hit or a miss. Where are the scissors? Let me know if you guys are celebrating Valentine's Day or not. I'm just curious to know. So I'm going to try some red dresses in this haul because I don't know whether you're looking for a red dress or not. Maybe it's going to be fun. Let's get the party started. Let's get the party started. This is, well, I gotta say, I'm very skeptical. Like, I can tell you right away, it doesn't look like the product picture. I guess I'm holding women's red bodycon dress with lace-up detail, solid color knit fabric. And yeah, I've got this in size medium. I paid almost 11 euros for the dress. It does look really, really nice in the product picture, but not so nice in reality. Let me go ahead and pop her on, see how she actually looks. Okay, yeah, well, this dress looks really, really, really cheap. I can see that this dress really likes to accentuate my tummy area, which I am not a huge fan of. I don't know, it's just something about the fabric. It's so thin. Like, I do love all of these laces in here. They're really, really cute. Like, it's a nice touch. And the bows, well, the straps. I mean, the dress itself, it's quite stretchy. It is a stretchy dress, if anyone cares. It runs true to size. It's cute, but it's in a really, really thin fabric. Other than that, I do think it's a romantic dress. It's a lovely girly dress. Like, you know, the length is fine. It's not like too provocative, if you know what I mean. It's okay. It's all right. But it's just something about the fabric. Not something. It's clear that it looks cheap because it's too thin. That's the front, the side, the back. So yeah, I would say it runs true to size. It's quite stretchy, but it's a thin fabric, a thin and really cheap fabric, which makes me hate the dress. So in my personal opinion, I would say that's a miss. So moving on to the next dress. It's a different shade of red, you can tell that right away. Is that supposed to be for the boobies? Why is it so small? Maybe it's just wrong first impression. I don't know. But this one is quite long. It is, however, see-through. Okay, so this one must be ruched chest, tie strap dress, and that's it. The title is just too long. I paid 9 euros and I've got this in size medium. But it does have a decent amount of positive reviews, so stay tuned. Let me go ahead, put her on and see how she looks on my body. All right, guys, so that's the dress. That's how she looks on. I'm sorry that's not enough space in this room, but let me take it off actually. This is the front, the side, the back. Yeah, this dress is quite long and in a really weird length, in my opinion. But I guess that's the reason why it's called Elegant Sleeveless Mermaid Cami dress. Okay, I don't know. It looks like it accentuates the hips just because that it's way more tight around the hips area and then it fans out on the bottom. That's why it has that mermaid silhouette. I don't know if that's just me, but it feels like it's too much going on over here. It's just my personal preference not to have that much going on. Speaking about the quality, it's quite see-through. However, it's quite stretchy. The fabric itself, it's quite stretchy. It's not tight around the tummy area and waist whatsoever. It's all right. It's a comfy fabric, you know? It would be a nice dress if the chest area would actually fit me. So yeah, does the dress look like in the product picture? You guys tell me. Because I guess it does. It does have that silhouette. Just the bust area looks different though. It's hugging you everywhere in the right places, yada yada yada. But I don't think that's something that is my cup of tea. So I would say that this dress is a miss. Let's move on to the next dress. And yet we have another long dress, I guess. Really long. Okay, so this one comes in a way thicker fabric than the first two that I just unpacked. Okay, so it's elegant solid color ruched spaghetti suspender dress. And yeah, I've got this in red. And I paid almost 11 euros. I mean, the fabric is nice. Let me go ahead, put it on and see how she looks. Wow. I must say, I'm really liking this dress. That's how she looks from the front, from the side, and then from the back. Yeah, it's quite elegant. And it hugs your figure in the right places, doesn't it? Yeah, it does have this tall neckline, some ruching going on. So speaking about the size, I would say that it runs true to size. Once again, I have it in size medium. I don't think that I should size down or size up. I think it fits me like a glove. It's just that the neck, like the bust, it's really tall. Like, not sure how to explain that. It's a little bit too much ruching, or is that just me? Isn't that too high? I'm confused. Everything feels nice. The fabric, it might be slightly see-through, but just a little bit. Not too much. Yeah, it doesn't have any adjustable straps though. In the product picture, it looks like the fabric might be different. It's not that it's a bad thing. I don't mind that. The fabric is all right, and I have no complaints about the fabric. So yeah, I don't know. I think that's a nice dress, worth the price, and it feels and looks nice. You guys tell me, what do you think? Would you say this dress is a hit or a miss? Because I personally think that it's a hit. Yeah, it's a hit. Now, let's move on to the next dresses that we have in this haul. Oh, look at that. I wasn't expecting the bag is going to look like this. Not that that's a bad thing though. It's really, really tiny, but it's beautiful. It's called Elegant Backless Pleated Dress with tie, waist, and square neckline. It says high stretch. I got this in size medium. I paid 12 euros. It does have a decent amount of positive reviews. Yeah, let's go ahead, pop her on and see how she looks. Okay, yeah, please don't judge me because I'm wearing a wrong bra for this dress. That's how the dress looks from the front, from the side, and from the back. I know I'm wearing the wrong bra, but as I said, this will do. First things first, the dress is really, really short. I wish it was a skirt. Unless you want to have Marilyn Monroe moment, then you do you, girl, you do you. But it's too short for me. It's too short. I think it runs true to size though. If I would have sized up, I don't think that that would help me with the length of this dress. So the straps, I mean, I do love this backless design with the straps. I think it's flattering, it's cute, it's romantic. Getting back to the front, it's really, really gappy. Like, and if I try to adjust the straps, I don't think that would help much. Like, the gap would not disappear. It's just gappy. Not a huge fan of that either. But I do like the fabric, the style, the design. I think it's cute. But would I wear it? The answer is no. And for this reason, I'm out. Does it look like in the product picture? Yeah, I think it does. Anyway, I'm gonna say that this dress is a miss. It's a miss because it lacks a couple of things. Anyway, it is what it is. We still have another dress that we have to put on, so let's move on. A very thin fabric, I can tell you that. I'm skeptical right now, but then I put it on, might feel and look different. So I'm holding split tie ruched dress, elegant spaghetti sleeves party dress. So I have this in burgundy, but it does come in black and blue. I have it in size medium and I paid almost 9 euros. Well, so it's not a lot. It's cheap. It's a cheap dress. But the question is it going to look cheap? Let me go ahead and put her on. Okay, and yet we have another dress. Well, the slippers, they don't go along with the dress, but let's just don't mind that. Yeah, it has a really high slit. That's how she looks from the front, from the side, from the back. I do like the silhouette, the style and design of the dress. I think it accentuates your waist and your legs. I do like the length as well. It's not too long, not too short. I think it ends in the right place. I do like the fabric. It's really soft and it's quite stretchy, really, quite stretchy. Does it look cheap? Well, maybe. Yeah, the fabric is quite thin and a little bit see-through. So I would say that it runs true to size. I'm wearing size medium. It accentuates the waist and the hips. I like that. Another thing I really like is that it has adjustable straps. Then you walk, it does reveal a little bit too much, doesn't it? It's too much for me, actually. So what I just realized that the only thing that bothers me about the dress is the slit. It's just too high. It is what it is, you know? Just because of the slit, I would say that this dress is a miss. Is it a hit or a miss? I'm in the middle, actually. You know what, guys? I'll let you to decide. Is this dress a hit or a miss? What do you guys think? So, I hope that you enjoyed watching this try-on haul. Let me know down below in the comments which dress do you think was a hit or a miss? And which one should I keep or return? Because I don't think I need all of them. Yeah. Let me know what you would like to see more of. That would really help me. And I hope to see you next time.